Outdoors Day here, and today I have something very exciting I want to talk about. I'm right now under my first shop slash carport thing. I finally have gotten my first home. We are going to go review an Amazon water slide. It's 11 foot tall. It's got a gun on the front that shoots water. It's pretty cool. So we're gonna go review that. But first, I want to show you a little bit around the yard, and of my first home ever. And all the molding hoods right there, that's what made me get here. I'm a union Boilermaker. I've been working saving up for like 3 years now, straight 4 years trying to get a house, and I finally done it. So I want to kind of show y'all around. And so this is the little property I got going. It's got a nice little roof over the front porch. We got a kid pool over there with some chairs, and we got a pretty big sized property. It's about 7.5 of an acre. It's nothing too big, but something I could get in now, get settled. I also built a little fire pit back there with some bricks we had some extra bricks laying around. This thing is definitely heavier when you're in the humid Alabama 90 something degree heat out here. Let's get this thing cut open. And we got this little feeder from Tractor Supply, which I will show you in a minute. It's actually pretty nice. I mean, it's like $60, I think, or something. It's kind of hard to get it going in there at first, though. Especially when you get big bags like this. There she goes. Oh, it's going a little bit everywhere, but I'm sure they will eat it. This is my feeder. It fills up. I'm sure y'all have seen them before. I mean, it's nothing special, but it's a pretty good little setup. I got one in the backyard in the big pen. Out there in the backyard, there's a bigger pen that I got from Tractor Supply as well. And we also got these cages for when we just leave. We got the big cattle gate that we closed, which I've recently put some pig fence on to keep them in because they like to crawl under. But this one like to crawl under. I also have another dog, a German Shepherd named Dixie. She's at my parents' right now. She kind of jumped the fence and ran with them, and they took them to her house. Now to go to the water slide, we got the whole family. These are the main test subjects right here for the water slide. They might not seem excited, but they definitely are. There it is. It looks pretty big. It probably looks bigger in real life, to be honest. But we also got this double connector right here, because it has a water gun on the front of it, actually, which is pretty cool. That's going to be the coolest part, so we're definitely going to have to look this up and try it. 100% sure. But that's the first look at it. It's 11 foot tall, and I think it's 24 foot wide, it said. It's pretty huge. I mean, for a water slide off Amazon, it's pretty cool. Got her filling up. We're definitely going to have to try this puppy out. Come in. Go. It's okay. No, it's okay. Oh no. No. Oh no. All right, you want to come with me, Winston? Let's go. Ready? Ready?
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
I gotta actually say stuff eventually, but it's too embarrassing. Y'all have to leave. Go. Everyone's back behind me right now sliding. And as you can tell, it's for adults and kids. This thing is awesome. It's definitely pretty crazy for the price. The only problem we're having is these plastic hoses are leaking. I'm sure you could put your own hose on this though, like a rubber hose and a metal fitting or something like that. Probably fix it. But right now, that's the only flaw. Natural view when we move to the pool and then everyone's off a little bit and everything. Are you still recording?
No.
You know, we actually tried to plug this gun up but it wasn't very strong. But I think it's just our water pressure, to be honest. Plus the fittings that came on this thing, they're a little bit leaky, but they're also all plastic and all that, so they're not the best things. What it comes with that, of course, to air it up. It comes with all these spikes that came with it to put it in the ground, of course. But I mean, they ain't too good either, but I mean, they work, you know. And it did not come with the tarp. You'll have to get your own tarp, water hoses, and all that, of course. But yeah, it's pretty fun. Commercial grade water slide. It ain't easy to puncture, rip, or anything. For all day fun, basically. It's a fun water slide for adults, or for kids, or anybody, to be honest with you. You can ride on this thing. It's pretty big, at 11 foot. There's one of my sons now playing in it. Yeah, they love it, for sure. If you have kids and they're thinking about getting one off Amazon, this one is definitely a good choice. Besides the fittings, they leak a little bit. But besides that, it's fun. It's pretty fun, for sure. Especially on a hot day like it gets in Alabama, like 90 degrees. Woo! Definitely feels nice. But it is a pretty big water slide. I rented one last year and it's about the same fun, I mean. But now it's a lot better to, you know, actually have one around. That's me to it. I'm about 5'6". I give it a 7 out of 10 just because of the fittings, though. That leak. That is definitely not very fun. But I'm sure you could fix it if you put your own like metal fittings on it or something like that. I'm sure you could fix it. For sure. 100%. I'm sure they make something for that. It's a pretty strong, well-built water slide. It's fun. It's for adults and kids. It's on Amazon. It's a pretty cool water slide for sure. Watch this.
Uh-oh.
Ready? Already a pretty fun day, and it's just getting started. Just getting funner. Oh yeah.
And hold on to it. No, hold on to it. Ready, say, we're ready to go down. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Now hold on to it. And go!
Adult sliding and kid sliding, everyone is loving this slide. It's rated for adults and for kids, so if you want to buy it or for your kids, either way, it's fun for everybody for sure. Like there's a bunch of people up here right now. It's pretty crazy. Look, now everyone's down there. Oh my God, bro. I bet I can get some cool angles with this. Oh! About to go show all that deck over there in a minute and maybe jump. Let's go ahead and check out this little metal deck we got out here. Woo! Woo! If anyone has seen my lift kit video of me putting the lift on this truck, it's got like, I think 30K views right now. If you want to go check it out, I'll put a link in the description. But I'm still driving it. It's about 6 years later now, still running strong with the lift on it. It's still doing real good, if anyone was wondering about that. I know a lot of people seen it. And some people come back. Slide we reviewed, still going. Yeah, but if y'all are looking for something to do this summer and are in a hot area, well, most places are hot right now, but some of them are even hotter. I know Alabama this year is pretty hot for sure. That's definitely a fun thing to do for you and the kids, because it's for adults as well. It don't discriminate. But yeah, I'm gonna go get these kayaks up and then probably head back to the house, show y'all a little bit more around the house maybe, and that'll be it for now. But just want to let y'all know I'm back. I'm gonna make some videos, probably 2 a week if I can keep up with it. Maybe do some fishing videos, stuff like that, truck videos, installs on cars, whatever y'all want to see. If just comment and let me know whatever y'all want to see, and subscribe and hit that bell for sure. I'm gonna get these kayaks out of my truck and the fishing pole in my truck and head back to the house. Videos on the Mustang I'm gonna be doing. I got a good bit of stuff to do inside here. Pretty nice little car. 90 Fox body. I got headlights going on it. I'm gonna be repainting the whole thing stock color. It really needs it, as you can see. One other thing that I thought was pretty interesting out here. Well, not interesting, but it's kind of my fault. I left my shop vac outside and it freaking poured down rain the other day. Like, I'm talking, it was raining cats and dogs out here in Alabama. And it still works. Perfectly fine. Been outside the whole time in the rain. Yeah, see? Nice little pole from Bass Pro. Been ripping bass out of my dad's pond with it. Up renovations on the trailer. I got some of them to do. I got to fix a good bit of stuff on here. Starting with the siding. The previous owners had the fire pit way too close to the trailer and burnt the siding all up, man, all up. I'm in my back room now, getting ready to post this video. Y'all like, subscribe, and share if you can. And remember, stay outdoors.